My name is Woden Teachout. I'm from the Division of Continuing Education, and I want to talk with you about two things. One is the faculty-facing AI tools that we built, chatbots, and then the second is a model for faculty-staff collaboration in testing and thinking about those. So at DCE, our staff built 6 custom chatbots that we called the Course Polisher series. And we really wanted to stay away from the kind of like, hey, ChatGPT, design my history course for me, and really focus instead on those things that faculty want to do, but they often don't have time or bandwidth. They mean to do it, things like integrating universal design for learning principles. So we built them using evidence-based materials, and we focused them on common instructional challenges, things like, I've got this lesson, how can I do action learning or active learning in this lesson? The transparent assignment bot is actually one of the ones that we use the most, and it allows faculty to take an assignment and to make sure that it's working with TILT principles for maximum clarity for everyone. So we had these bots, we were really excited, but then, as you know, if you've built bots, the challenge becomes, how do I test them, how do I scale them, right? Because that tends to take most time. And so our staff developed the bots. We used a faculty learning community model. So we had faculty that got together for 3 different exploration sessions. They were hands-on. Faculty were working with each other in the sessions, testing them out on their courses. Many continued then to use them on their courses. They then provided feedback to us, so we were able to revise the bots. And as you can imagine, a number of ideas came out of this. We were really pleased with the results. You can see there on a 5-point scale, faculty thought that the value in that immediate moment was over 4, and then close to 4.5 said that they'll use again in future, a 4.5 on a 5-point scale. We saw a lot of appreciation for time savings, for the automation of routine tasks, for things like keeping lecture materials up to date, with contemporary examples, and then also narrowing in on specific skills to target. When oftentimes you say, write a reflection paper, right? And then the bot would force you to figure out exactly what you're wanting out of that reflection paper. We got some great feedback about technical glitches. ChatGPT actually has been having, or OpenAI has been having issues today, as some of you may know. But most significantly for us is that faculty asked for ongoing access to these bots. And that to us was the sense that, okay, this is really valuable. This is something that we want to continue to provide. So takeaways for us and hopefully some people in this room, faculty-facing bots have potential for great usefulness and great functionality. There's a lot of interest in them. Some faculty use them, some won't, but it does allow us to extend our reach as a faculty teaching and learning team. Secondly, faculty-staff partnership is a lot of potential in terms of being a way for us, the staff, to test our bots, and for faculty to get a chance to explore them, and for us all to be in community as we, go into this continually new era. And then finally, our users, we had sort of intended them as a self-serve kind of thing, but in fact, we find that we're using them when we do our consultations with faculty. So there's instructions for how to find the bots, and we'd love to hear what you all are doing and how that might intersect with our work.